Hey y'all, today we are in Windows and we're taking a look at how to ping the Fortnite servers. Let's get into it. So to start off, this is all publicly available information by Epic Games. One of the reasons you may want to do this is if you are in between two regions or you're not really sure which region you should be connecting to, you can go ahead and ping the servers and see which one you do have a better connection to, especially if you're North America, East, Central, or West, or you land between East and Central or Central and West. You may want to see where you should be connecting to. So how does this work? So let's go ahead and hit the start menu and we're going to type in CMD, run as administrator. Yes, I want to run that as administrator. Cool. Now that this is opened up, we can type in ping space minus T. And then for me, I'm really West Coast, so we're going to go ahead and copy the ping.nod.ds.on.epicgames.com. And then we will paste it in here and hit enter. So now, as we're sitting here and connecting, we can see we get a reply. It gives you a normal byte size, and then the time is 20 milliseconds, and we're kind of bouncing between 18 and 21. That's pretty good. I would say anything above probably like 50 to 80, you're kind of pushing it. You're probably going to see some lag or get into some situations where you feel like you shot first and you still died. But you would want to try and connect to the server that gives you the lower ping. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like if we were to do like the East Coast. This is pretty far from me. We're going to go ping minus T and hit enter. And you can see the East Coast, I'm a lot higher. I'm 64, 65. So for me, I would obviously want to be connecting to the West Coast. But this is something that you can go through and do yourself and just double check if you are noticing that you're having issues with lag or latency or you're losing fights that you feel like you should have won. This is just an easy way to check and see which server you should be on. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.